What is going on today, guys? Crypto is absolutely pumping. Ethereum is up almost 20% the past few days. So something I want to talk about, the reason for this pump is because Silicon Valley is a bank out of, I believe, California, just went under. They're currently being rescued by the government, I guess you could say. So the government's stepping in. And also some important news, Stripe now is talking about, or people are talking about how Stripe is holding funds, and also Jordan Welch said millions and millions of dollars processed, and they just shut me down today with no warning. So that's some crazy news. Alex Sedlak even was talking about how Stripe is currently withholding funds from him. So that's not good news. I don't think that is going to be a trend that we will see. I don't think we'll see like a domino effect like we did back in 2008, where Lehman Brothers went under and then all these other banks went under. Silicon Valley Bank is not a huge bank like Lehman or Chase Bank, all those big banks. It's not like that, but it is still a pretty good sized bank, and it did go under. So that is kind of concerning, which is why crypto is pumping, because everybody's like, okay, this is great. Bitcoin, you can't necessarily lose. I don't want to say that, but it was a more safe alternative to holding cash in the bank over the FDIC insurance. So that's what a lot of people, I would assume, are doing as of now. Of course, that's just my opinion and my thoughts on that. So we're currently looking at a daily chart. As I said, we're up just under 20% on Ethereum. Bitcoin is up almost 25%. Let's pull that up here on the daily charts. Almost 25% for Bitcoin. Crazy upside we see here. So back on Ethereum, we are now trading in the resistance as we saw here. We're currently trading here. I don't know what this weird glitch is, where the candle is. I don't know. That's kind of weird. I've never really seen that before. But now we're currently trading inside this resistance level, as I've said multiple times, at 17.2 roughly, is where we see a huge volume resistance. We need to break that in order to go even higher. But before we do that, we need to, obviously at some point, we're going to see a bit of a pullback here because we just ran up almost 20%. So we're going to need to see some support around here at 16.8, 1700-ish, or maybe even down here just under 1600. So that is relatively the support I'm going to be looking out for. And maybe if it pulls on back even more, we could see some support down here towards this $1,500 mark as well. And obviously down here at the 120-day, I did count out several days ago. I did count out that I am predicting that we're going to bounce here, and we're going to start to move towards the upside. And if we did break down, it would be a bit of a fake out, and then it would be a bear trap where all the bears would get in and short the market, when in reality we were just going to bounce back up and it would liquidate all the bears, which is I'm assuming is what happened a lot here. Some bears might have just thought we were going to break straight through here on this 120-day moving average what was I going to say? Wow. I just brain farted super hard. Many thought that we would just blow on past this moving average, but of course we bounced off of it like I thought we would, like I predicted. And yeah, so that was a bit of a bear trap. That is what I like to see. I did think we were going to drop down a little bit below this 120-day moving average, which is why I only got a little bit of skin in the game. But then as I started to see this confirmation of us going towards the upside, that is when I started moving more money into it. I am looking for a bit of more of a long trade rather than a short one. So that's what I was doing there. Not necessarily just trying to get on the short-term move here. I'm trying to play a long-term, get in at a really good dollar cost average amount. Currently, I think my trade, I'm roughly, I think I'm about 10 to 15% in the profit. So that's great news for me. And yeah, this is where I think we're going. I just want to see us pull on back here to a support or something. Or obviously I would like to see us go higher, but in order to do that, we need to pull on back a little bit, correct here, as we're currently trading at a 60 on the RSI on the daily chart, and the MACD is honestly, it's looking very weak. For the run we just had is actually crazy how weak we're seeing, but we are starting to see a bit of a trend reversal here with the crossing on the MACD. Doesn't always mean a lot, but it is a very aggressive cross as I'm looking at now. So that's good news. If you guys want to stay tuned for more, make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, comment down below. Also, hit that bell notification so you get notified whenever I go live. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for more.